Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Autopilot stopping abruptly on highway ramps and outlines commonly documented reasons why Autopilot may disengage or apply unexpected deceleration when entering or exiting ramps. This behavior has been observed across Tesla vehicles equipped with Autopilot and can vary by model year, hardware generation, software version, and roadway design. Highway ramps often feature sharp curvature, elevation changes, lane merges, and altered lane markings compared to main highways. Autopilot relies on camera-based perception and path prediction, which can be challenged in these environments. When confidence in lane detection or trajectory prediction drops, the system may disengage abruptly or reduce speed as a safety response. Verified information indicates that reduced lane marking clarity, curved geometry, and merging traffic patterns on ramps are primary factors. Temporary markings, shadows, guardrails, and closely spaced barriers can further affect perception. In some cases, Autopilot may transition between highway and city driving logic, which can result in sudden disengagement or braking. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Other documented factors include speed threshold limits for certain autopilot functions and safeguards that disengage steering assistance when operating conditions fall outside defined parameters. As a possibility, recent software updates or incomplete camera calibration could influence how ramps are handled, though this is not confirmed for every case. General guidance includes maintaining manual control on ramps, closely monitoring alerts, and recognizing that Autopilot is not designed to handle all ramp scenarios. Persistent abrupt disengagements outside ramp conditions may warrant a service evaluation. Overall, Autopilot stopping abruptly on highway ramps is influenced by roadway complexity, system design limitations, and perception confidence. The behavior can differ by vehicle generation, software version, and ramp design, and does not indicate the same cause for every vehicle. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.